Have you ever wondered why krill oil supplements have gained such popularity in recent years? Let's take a moment to delve into this. Krill oil is a significant source of essential nutrients, providing a multitude of health benefits. It aids in improving heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing the good ones. Furthermore, it supports joint health, reducing inflammation and aiding mobility. But the benefits don't stop there. Krill oil also boosts brain function, contributing to better memory and focus. The cherry on top? Unlike fish oil, krill oil doesn't give you those unpleasant fishy burps. Thanks to its phospholipid structure, it is also absorbed more efficiently by the body, ensuring you get the most out of every dose. Understanding the importance of krill oil supplements is the first step towards making healthier choices. Now that you know why krill oil is vital, let's dive into the sea of options available and find out which brands stand out. With an overwhelming number of krill oil brands available, it can be a daunting task to pick the right one. But fear not, we're here to delve into the world of krill oil supplements and compare some of the top brands on the market. First, let's talk about price. It's no secret that we all love a good bargain, but remember, with supplements, you often get what you pay for. Brands like Mega Red and Viva Naturals offer quality products that may be a bit more expensive than other brands, but they're worth it for the peace of mind they provide. Next up, potency. This refers to the amount of omega-3 fatty acids in each serving. A potent krill oil supplement will have a high concentration of these beneficial fats. Both Mega Red and Sports Research boast high potency levels, which means you're getting more bang for your buck. Purity is also a key factor. You want to ensure that your krill oil is free of contaminants and other unwanted substances. Viva Naturals and Sports Research both pride themselves on the purity of their products, with each batch undergoing rigorous testing. Sustainability is another important consideration. Krill are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, and overfishing can have devastating effects. Brands like Mega Red and Viva Naturals source their krill sustainably, ensuring that they're not depleting the krill population or damaging the environment. Lastly, let's discuss third-party testing. This is when an independent laboratory tests the supplement to verify its ingredients and potency. It's a great way to ensure that what's on the label is what's in the bottle. Mega Red, Viva Naturals and Sports Research all use third-party testing, adding an extra layer of trust to their products. It's important to remember that while we've compared these brands, we're not endorsing any specific one. The best krill oil supplement for you will depend on your personal needs and budget. So take the time to do your research, consider these factors and choose the supplement that best fits your lifestyle. Remember, the best krill oil supplement for you depends on your personal needs and budget. Before we wrap up, there are a few key points you should keep in mind when shopping for krill oil supplements. Firstly, it is crucial to verify if the product has been third-party tested. This ensures the supplement's purity and potency, providing a credible guarantee that what's on the label is indeed in the bottle. Secondly, pay attention to the levels of EPA and DHA. These are the omega-3 fatty acids that offer the health benefits we're after. A high-quality krill oil supplement should have a substantial amount of both. Furthermore, consider the source of the krill oil. Look for products harvested in a sustainable and environmentally friendly manner, ideally from the pristine waters of the Antarctic. Lastly, always remember to seek advice from your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. Armed with this information, you're now ready to make an informed decision about which krill oil supplement is best for you. Today, we've covered a lot of ground on the topic of krill oil supplements. We began by exploring the significance of these supplements, highlighting their rich omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA content, which contribute to heart health, brain function and more. We then delved into comparing various brands, shedding light on how they differ in terms of purity, potency and price. We learned that not all krill oil supplements are created equal, and the importance of doing our homework before making a purchase. In our discussion on what to look for in a quality product, we emphasize the importance of checking for third-party testing, the source of the krill, and the extraction method used. These factors all contribute to the effectiveness and safety of the supplement. In essence, finding the best krill oil supplement involves more than just picking one off the shelf. It requires a little bit of knowledge and a lot of discernment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of krill oil supplements. Here's to your health.